Okay, introducing the new Derwent Grate and Shake. You may be wondering what this is for, but I'll tell you what, it's a brilliant little accessory. What we're going to do is take one of the Inktense blocks, just get one out of the packet, nice bright pink one so you can see what's going on. And we're going to create our own Inktense ink, which you can then just paint away with. If you want to make a nice wash with it afterwards, it's a perfect little tool. Okay, so we just simply grate across the grater in the top of the jar. Obviously the more colour you grate into the bottom, the darker shade you're going to get, and the less water you put in, the darker shade you're going to get. So we've grated quite a little bit into there. Okay, so now we're just going to take the lid, unscrew the lid containing the grater, take a little bit of water. I'm not going to do too much because we don't need a lot. You can see we put a little bit of water in there. We're going to put the lids back on, and then the second lid. Make sure that is properly sealed. So there's a beautiful bright pink liquid. We're going to unscrew the whole of the lid, and then can start using it. This is going to be quite a pale one, so I'll show you. Pale wash. Now then, if you decide you want more colour in that, we can simply put the lid back on, take the top lid off, make sure it's still dry, which it is. Grate a little bit more pink in, as much as you like. If you want to mix colours, we can even add a bit of purple. Let's get a darker colour going on in there. Put the lid back on again. Give it a shake. Okay, and then we can take the lid off again. See what next colour we've got here. Sort of purpley pink colour. Great, so you can carry on mixing colours like that in the grate and shake. One thing you do have to watch out for is not to grate onto a wet grater. So if this bit of metal is wet, you need to wipe that with a cloth. In fact, to make this even easier, you can take out the grater, you can give it a total wash, make sure it's dry, put it back into the lid, clicks in place, nice and easy. Then pop that back on, and you can add another colour. So maybe you can even add a bit of white if you want to. Exactly the same principle, you just keep adding colours till you get your desired wash effect. The Derwent Grate and Shake also works brilliantly with your aquatone sticks.